This debit card will make you a millionaire in just 10 years, and here's why. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how this card will make you a millionaire and all the perks and benefits that come along with it. For those of you that are new to the channel, my name's Ben. I've made over 6 figures trading crypto. I'm a full-time trader, and I want to teach you guys everything that I know. The Icy White and the Rose Gold card are the second highest tier in CRO, and there are a bunch of additional perks that come along with it. So alongside with the other cards, you get free Netflix valued at $14 a month or $168 a year. You get free Spotify valued at $13 a month and $156 a year. And then you also get free Amazon Prime, which if you're like me, you use that all the time. And that's another $13 a month or $156 a year. And if you add up those three things, that's $480 a year. So in order to get this card, you need to stake $40,000 worth of CRO. And so $480 would be a 1.2% return on your investment for that $40,000. An additional thing with this card is you get 12% staking rewards for staking this CRO. And so that's a return of $4,800 a year. And so that plus the $480 is $5,280, or essentially 13.2% back for your investment with this card. Now, another perk that comes along with this is instead of 3% back, you get 5% cash back and paid out in CRO. So that's like a 60% increase from the 3%. And now this will also add on to your investment. I created a Google Sheets that I'm going to show you guys and basically show you how fast this investment will grow and how it'll just compound off of itself. And you'll see that in 10 years, you can make $1 million from investing in one of these cards. You can also download the link for this down below. And then if you're not able to edit it, just click on make a copy and then you'll be able to edit it. And so the buttons that you're gonna worry about are these 5 right here. The initial coin, you can change that, the CRO price, annual coin increase, and the annual price increase, and the annual spent with the card. The way this works is I have it at 12% because you're earning 12% for staking it. And then the annual price increase, I just put 25% because I think it's pretty reasonable. If you look at here, you can see 5 years down the line, it's at 46 cents. And then 10 years down the line, it's at $1.40. I think these are very realistic and achievable price targets. If we scroll over to the right, you can see CRO earned from spending. So when you type in the amount that you spent, let's just say I have it at $20,000. Let's say you spend $10,000 in that year. That's gonna change these numbers right here. And then I have it so it adds that onto the new total for the next year and so on. And then I also have the same thing for Spotify, the bonus, Netflix, and Amazon. If you are interested in signing up for one of these cards, make sure to use my referral code down below. I've already had 4 people use it and I'm super grateful for each of them. It'll get you an additional $25 in CRO when you get the Ruby Red card. With the annual spent with this card, if you're holding one of these cards, you're probably more likely to spend about $20,000, which is why I put $20,000 here. Looking at these numbers, you can see that in 5 years, your investment is now gonna be over $216,000. And then in 10 years, you're gonna already hit that $1 million mark. You're gonna be at $1,064,000. And then 15 years, 5 million. And then even further down the line, 20 years later, you're gonna be at 24, almost 25 million. I think in 10 years, the price at $1.40 and $1 million is very achievable. So you can download this Google Sheets down below and mess around with it and just plug in the numbers and see what your investment can look like in years to come. Now, some additional perks and benefits of this card is like the other card, you get airport lounge access, but you also get a guest included in that. So you and one other person can go and get access to airport lounge. The next thing is you get access to crypto.com private, which is basically like their newsletter or just their blog that they're coming out with additional information or early access to information of the company or what they're thinking. And so that's a nice perk to have. And then the last thing is you get an exclusive welcome package from the company, which includes a t-shirt, a hoodie, a hat, and a mug. And it's just a nice bonus, and it's a nice little package, a welcome package to being part of the Icy White and Rose Gold community. And another thing that you get with this card is 10% off of Expedia. And so the way that it works is it's up to $50 per month reimbursed. So that'd be like spending $500 a month and you'll get $50 back paid in CRO. And so the maximum that you can get for that is an additional $600 per per year if you were going to be spending $6,000 with Expedia. The last thing is the CRO staking reward is increased to 12%, like I mentioned before, but on top of that, your crypto earn is also increased by 2% for all the lockup periods. So all the 1 month and the 3 month lockup periods are increased by additional 2%. So like for Bitcoin, if I was staking for 3 months, instead of earning 6.5%, I'm going to be earning 8.5%, which I haven't even heard of any other exchanges that have staking at that high of percentages. So this is just an awesome investment that can make you $1 million in 10 years. And this is why I'm so bullish on CRO and CRO debit cards. And I definitely want to upgrade to this card as soon as I can. I'm just waiting for the right moment, just because if CRO goes up a lot and it goes up to these prices between 50 cents and $1 and then comes back down to 20, 30 cents, and that all happens within 6 months, I don't want to have my CRO locked up for 6 months and be able to miss all of that action, because I would love to be able to sell some of it and rebuy at a lower price so that I have that much more CRO. It just allows that opportunity to be there for it. If you're interested in more charts like this Google Sheets that I shared with you guys, check out my Patreon down below. You can follow my exact trades that I'm doing. Every single time I do a trade, I post it on there. And then we're just building up a community, and we're going to be doing things like finding hidden gems. We'll have additional content like exclusive videos, exclusive live streams, hidden gems, and building a strong community where I can get to know you guys better. And thank you so much for watching this video. Drop a like down below. We're trying to get to 100 likes for 100 push-ups still. Once we get that, you'll see 100 push-ups in the next video that I record. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, as always, keep it in the green.